Contact tracing has been a crucial tool for monitoring and containing the spread of COVID-19. However, businesses have also had to adapt and find innovative ways to continue operations while keeping their employees and customers safe. Technology has helped businesses adapt and stay afloat during these challenging times, from implementing remote work solutions to contactless transactions. With social distancing measures in place, many businesses have had to shift their operations online and enable employees to work remotely. This transition was made possible through various technologies such as video conferencing tools, project management software, and virtual private networks, VPN. These solutions allowed employees to continue working from the safety of their homes and helped businesses maintain productivity and communication among team members. As a result, remote work has become the new norm for many companies, with some even considering permanent remote work options. Businesses, from grocery stores to restaurants, have implemented various technologies, such as digital payment systems and touchless sensors, to minimize physical touchpoints. As a result, contactless transactions are likely to remain prevalent even after the pandemic, as businesses and customers have become accustomed to these new methods. Artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics have also played a significant role in helping businesses adapt during the pandemic. These technologies have enabled companies to analyze large amounts of data and make informed decisions regarding safety protocols, supply chain management, and customer behavior. Data analytics have also helped businesses track and monitor employee health, identify potential hotspots, and make necessary adjustments to keep everyone safe. GS Labs considers that the COVID-19 pandemic has forced businesses worldwide to adapt and find new operating methods while prioritizing safety. Technology has played a crucial role in enabling this transition and will continue to play a significant role in the post-pandemic world. From remote work solutions to contactless transactions and advanced technologies such as AI and data analytics, businesses have leveraged technology to stay safe and adapt during these unprecedented times. As we progress, companies must continue embracing technology and its potential to empower businesses to thrive in a rapidly changing world.